Hello students, this is a breadboard and I would like to introduce this to you. Whenever in electronics you want to make any circuit of your own, then it is to be on PCB. But before actually fabricating a circuit on PCB, we want to have a particular testing for the circuit. So that can be done on your breadboard. Yeah, you can also have open circuits or do it on normal connections, but there you are having some loose connections. So that might affect the functionality of your system. So to get your functionality of the components being tested, what you can do, you can use breadboard. So today I will let you aware about breadboard. So here you can find out that this is a circuit in which you are having so many mesh. So they are being shorted in a particular position. Here you can find out, here if you have a look on this, that they are 5 in number. They are 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see they are 5 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here to here, they are 5 in number and they are having 2 mesh. So it is both at the top of the breadboard as well as at the bottom of the breadboard. So they are being shorted from here to here, this position. Similarly, the bottom one is also shorted from this point to this point. So this is overall 4 such combinations are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now similarly, we have more mesh like this. So they are being shorted like this. That means this point to this point. So if I make connection on this point, another connection on this point, then they are one and the same. Once again, I am telling you that if this is the one point on which I am making the connection and this is your second point on which you are making connection, you will get a beep sound. So you are getting a beep sound like this. So that means this point is shorted. So they are like that in parallel manner, but all of them are shorted row wise, column wise and not row wise. So this is being shorted row wise, this point and this point is shorted row wise and this point is shorted column wise. So whenever you are having such components, I will let you know how you can insert it and test it. So suppose you are having a component and you want to test it. So first you have to insert it here and second point you can insert anywhere in this line like this. So now you can provide the power supply, or if you want to connect one more component, this is resistance, this is your capacitance and this is one more resistance. So all of them are connected, they are parallel to each other, but they are not having any connection with them. So now next connection is from here to this, and similarly you can have connection of this capacitance with third resistance and so on. So you can make connections accordingly and test your particular breadboard. Thank you very much.